Okay, and cue epic music now. Now, and I honestly don't know what I'm going to talk about, but my life isn't all that exciting. My school hasn't started yet. It starts in in a week or so, I think. Today's Tuesday, yeah, a week. And, yeah, I'm just going to grab something out of the fridge real quick. Sit you down right there. Yeah, so, I'll talk to you guys in a bit, alright? Okay, see ya. Okay, so here's the deal for today. My mom wants me to clean out the basement because there was a dead rabbit in there. Like, decomposed, it was flat, being eaten by maggots and all that gross stuff. Okay? So, I already brought, me and someone else helped me, took it outside. She wants me to go downstairs and scrub the floor. So, first, I'm going to run outside and scare away all the rabbits to make sure no one gets in, because I have no idea how it gets in. So I'm going to take you with me. Here we go. No, this is bad. I can't even get out of my own house. There we go. Okay, it's outside. I mean, it's still wicked hot out. There's one. Shh. We must be quiet. We have to crouch so we can sneak up on them, okay? I'm gonna go get this thing that I have. It's my secret weapon. You guys are about to see it, okay? She grab it out of my bedroom. Alright, I got it. But you can't see it yet. Haha. You thought you were gonna see my secret weapon, didn't you? Didn't you? Yes, you did. I knew you did. I built this thing. My dad makes cabinets, so I built this skateboard. It's a longboard out of wood. I had some spare wood at my dad's shop. And I think I'm going to ride it. Take you guys for a little ride real quick. You want to come? Well, it's not like you have a choice. Go. Ah! We're going so fast. Not really. So this is my board. It's awesome, right? My neighborhood. Oh yeah, I'll give you a little tour where I live around. Okay, see all that good stuff right there. Sorry about the noise, it's my skateboard going over all the cracks in my terrible road. Yeah, there's a nice Jeep over there if you can see that. And yeah, who are you? Hello? Oops. Did I break it? Okay, guys. One more thing. You need to subscribe to my channel up here, and you need to go here, right here, to subscribe to Sketch Palace. Comedy sketches, you know you want to. Go do it. Now.